What's up, guys? And today we're going to be using one's really dangerous. Actually, two of them are really dangerous. The other one isn't really. So here are the three objects. One egg, one bowl, and one knife. Okay, so we're going to be cutting this egg open with the knife. It's going to be pretty cool. Okay, so, I'm actually scared. So how would we do this without cutting ourselves? Whack it. I'm trying so hard. Oh, we made a dent. We made a dent in it. Sort of a dent. Yeah, now we made a big dent. Cut it open. Hang on. You can see at the end of the blade there's a yellow yolk. Now I have pancakes. This is fun. This is really fun. Well, there you have it, guys. It looks like blood dripping out of a human, even though it's not. Look at that. This is fun. Well, there you have it. That's what an egg looks like when it gets crushed, and this is what an egg looks like when it gets crushed by hand. Ah! God! See? Do you not see that? That's just gross. Okay, guys, I'm going to make it the end of the video for today, but I promise you I'll make a new video tomorrow or something after my school. Okay. See you guys in the next gross video. Bye.